Well guys, I don't know if you can tell how dirty I am or how wet I am, but just got done pressure washing everything on the Scout. So the frame's all clean, as clean as it's gonna get anyway. So we got the majority of all the funk off the axles. I mean, there's still a little bit on there, but the whole thing was like that before. Frame itself is pretty well clean. Transmission's cleaner now. Got the motor all cleaned up and most of the funk off of it. There's still some down in there a little bit, but okay, now the trash man's gone. Trash guy just came and picked up my trash. Anyway, got the majority of all of the grease mud funk off of here. Still a little bit down in some of the nooks and crannies where it's really concreted on there, but it's about 10 times better than it was. Transmission is good. Frame is mostly good. Got a little bit around, some of the stuff on the axles, but we're gonna have to go through and degrease the whole thing anyway and scrub it with a wire brush and then sandblast it and then wash it again. Not too super concerned about it, but making progress anyway. Gonna go drop off the motor probably Wednesday. Oh man, I do have all kinds of dirt all over me. That's right. But yeah, I was supposed to go build a bumper for Jeff Baird the other day. I don't know if some of you guys might know him, some of you guys might not. Does taxidermy here in town. Anyway, he beats the crap out of his stuff about like I do mine. I'm supposed to build him a bumper starting tomorrow, but the place I was supposed to get the steel from was out of the stuff I needed, so I had to order it in. It'll be here Thursday or Friday. In the meantime, I'm going to go over to Joe's shop, Black Rock Machining, do a little bit of an interview stuff with him tomorrow, and I will be helping him with the seat jackers. Some of you guys may or may not have seen those. Hold on, trash man's coming again. All right, the garbage man's gone. Now I can actually talk again. So anyway, gonna go help Joe finish building the next round of seat jackers, which is Steve's company. It's Desert Does It. Desert Does It is the name of the company, and what he builds is pretty much anything to do with off-road vehicles, whatever. Just the one product, or I guess there's a couple of them, front and rears, and then they've got the multi-mount panel. I'll show you guys that when I get over to Joe's tomorrow. In the process of developing a whole bunch more products, so those will be pretty cool when they're ready to come out. Joe's one of the ones of us that quit his job and is doing what he wants to do, working for himself, doing really well, making more money than he was working for somebody else, and gets to have a lot more fun with us on the weekends because of it. I'm gonna get you guys a little bit of an interview, kind of like I did with Lori, with Joe, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you know anyone or yourself wants to quit your job, follow us along, because you will see what all of our successes and failures are over the next year. Should be a lot of ups and downs, but it'll be a good ride either way, and eventually we'll get out and do some fun camping trips with the kids and show you guys some of that stuff, and it won't just be talking about quitting our jobs. It'll be a lot more fun and some good scenery out camping and things like that. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you tomorrow.